This video is going to give a quick overview of the bubble sort and selection sort algorithms. In the bubble sort algorithm, the array is scanned multiple times. Each element is compared with the following array element and swapped if the following array element is of a smaller value. Once the entire array has been scanned once, the greatest value element of the array will be in its final position. The array is then scanned again, this time ending at the second last position, with the second largest element in its sorted position. The inner loop scans the array, while the outer loop repeats the scanning n-1 times, where n is the size of the array. In this example, 32 is compared with 7, where 32 is greater, so the two elements are swapped. Next, 32 is compared with 40, where 32 is not greater and therefore there is no swap. Then 3 is compared with 40, where 40 is greater, so the two elements are swapped. Lastly, 85 is compared with 40, where 40 is not greater and therefore there is no swap. 85 is now in the sorted position, and the first of the outer loops is complete. For the next repeat of the outer loop, 7 is compared with 32, where 7 is not greater, so no swap. 32 is then compared with 3, where 32 is greater, so the elements are swapped. Lastly, 32 is compared with 40, where 32 is not greater, so no swap. 40 is now in the ordered position. For the third repeat of the outer loop, 3 is compared with 7, where 7 is greater, so the elements are swapped. Finally, 7 is compared with 32, where 32 is greater than 7, so there is no swap. The outer loop is then repeated once more, but the array is already ordered, so there are no changes. Now another simple sorting algorithm will be explained. The selection sort algorithm selects the smallest element of the array and swaps it into the first position. The array is scanned n-1 times, where n is the size of the array. For each of the repeats of the outer loop, the inner loop scans the unsorted elements of the array to find the smallest element. In the example, 36 in the first position is swapped with 1. Next, 16 is the next smallest element after 1, so it remains in its position. Then 51 is swapped with 27, the next smallest element after 16. This is repeated until the second last element, when the array is sorted. This code shows the two algorithms working in Java. The text file of the code is linked in the description below. When the code is run, it can be seen that the first unsorted array is sorted using the bubble sort algorithm, and the second array is sorted using the selection sort algorithm. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment in the comment section below if you have any questions.